Please ensure you have read and understood all instructions on the screen before undertaking this job. Start by parking the vehicle on flat, level ground with the handbrake applied. Turn the vehicle off and ensure both front and rear wheels are suitably chocked and the vehicle is safely secured before proceeding.
What's up guys, today we're going to be installing our brand new Superior Engineering billet sway bar links on the 2015 onwards Toyota Hilux. So first things first, we're going to rip in and get the old sway bar links out. You're going to want to be doing this with either the car on the ground or on a 4-post hoist like this. So the sway bar is sitting in a neutral position and the vehicle's sitting under its own weight. Otherwise it's going to be really hard to get the sway bar out because it's going to be under tension, and it's probably going to be pretty dangerous having that sway bar under tension and trying to loosen it off. So we've undone both sides of the sway bar, just at the sway bar end. That way you can rotate the sway bar up and down a little bit to help with aligning those sway bar links to get them at the most neutral position. Now we've got the factory sway bar link out. We want to align our Superior sway bar link up to suit. Now what you want is these rod ends to be at the absolute most neutral position they can be. So essentially, virtually a perfect 90-degree angle. That way, at ride height, you are not using any of this rod end's range of motion, and it's gonna get the best working life out of this rod end. As you can see, this one's facing a little bit up, so we can adjust this one to be a little bit longer, and it's gonna flatten that rod end out, giving you a much better service life. Now we've got these adjusted nice and close to each other, we can go ahead and install the Superior link. The best part about these is they are on-car adjustable. This rotates in and out. They're opposing threads, giving you that option to just rotate it once it's in the car to set these sway bar rod ends up at that perfect 90-degree angle, giving you the best possible position to be fitted up at. So once the sway bar link's up into its location, just gonna refit the nuts and washers loosely. That way it just helps it from sliding in and out when you're trying to align it and get it to adjust it up and down. And then once it's all adjusted and sitting at the correct length we want, we'll pull these off, put some Loctite on and get them torqued up. Okay, now we've got all that sitting in there nice and level. So we're going to pull all the nuts back off, put some Loctite in there, torque them up, and that way this job's all finished up. Once the driver's side's done, you can move over and start the same process on the passenger side. With that side being aligned, it's going to be a lot easier to align the lower leg on the passenger side as well. So once you can get in, get that done on the passenger side, you're all good to go.